and welcome to Math Matters. I'm Mrs. Parker. Today we're going to do an activity from Steve Wyborney called Splat. Are you ready to play? How many blue shapes do you see? There are 15 blue shapes. How did you know that there were 15 shapes? Did you count each dot one at a time? Did you see the different groups of dots? Did you see the dots in different groups, like 5 groups of 3? How did you count your 5 groups of 3? You could have skip counted by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. You could have added 3 to each group. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 9 plus 3 equals 12. And 12 plus 3 equals 15. You could have used doubles to help you solve. If you know that 2 groups of 3 is 6, and another 2 groups of 3 is another 6 to make 12, then you add one more group of 3 to make 15. So 6 plus 6 equals 12, plus 3 more equals 15. Next, a splat will be coming. A splat will hide so many shapes. We want to know how many are hiding and how do you know? How many blue shapes are under the splat? How do you know? How else could you know? Let's look under the splat to see how many shapes there are. There are 3 shapes under the splat. Some strategies you could have used included counting up. We know that there are 12 shapes showing. If you count up to 15, you count 3 times. 13, 14, 15. You could have used an addition strategy. 12 plus what equals 15? Or a subtraction strategy. 15 minus 12 equals 3. You could have also thought about how many groups of 3 there are. We knew that there were 5 groups of 3, which is 15, and one group is missing. Each group had 3 shapes. You could also think of it like multiplication. If you know that 5 times 3 is 15, then one group less would be 4 times 3 equals 12. What can we learn from this picture? We can learn about counting on. We could also learn about how addition and subtraction are related. We could also learn about multiplication using what we know, like 5 times a number, to solve the problem that would be 4 times the number. In today's episode of Math Matters, we used Splat to think about numbers. Can you make your own Splat problem at home? I'm Mrs. Parker. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.